Hey, happy morning, Mani.
హ్యాపీ మార్నింగ్ లావణ్య.
నాకు కట్ అయిపోయింది. నేను జాయిన్ అయ్యాక నాకు కట్ అయిపోయింది.
ఓ సారీ
మెసేజ్ చేశాను.
ఓకే 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 దెర్ మైట్ బి
నువ్వు
ఇష్యూ.
తీసుకుంటావా?
సారీ,
నువ్వు తీసుకుంటావా సెషన్?
డు యు వాంట్ మీ టు టేక్ ద సెషన్?
ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్.
If you want, yes, we can. I think people are joining now only.
Gopi sir also joined. Then after that it cut. We both are there in the group at first.
Okay. Just inform them na in group once.
Okay.
Ask them to join now.
Gopi sir joined.
Shall we start?
Lavanya ma'am, good morning.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Happy morning, sir. Am I audible, Lavanya?
Yes, Mani, yes, audible.
Shall we start?
Yes.
Happy morning, friends. Thank you for joining today's chakra healing meditation. So before we start our session, let us thank our gurus first. So let's come to a Namaskara Mudra. Let's close our eyes. Let's thank our gurus first. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Let us thank all the living gods in our life. Matrudevo Bhava, Pitrudevo Bhava, Acharya Bhava, Atithi Devo Bhava, Kaitu Devo Bhava, Sangha Samskarto Devo Bhava. Let's thank our Mother Nature for providing us pure water, pure air, yummy and delicious fruits and vegetables, and beautiful flowers to survive in this world. Let's thank our Mother India for allowing us to stay in this precious land. Let's pray for the peace in this world. Asato ma sargamaya, tamaso ma jyotirgamaya, mrityorma amrutangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Once again, thank you all for joining today's Chakras Healing Meditation. We all know meditation. Meditation heals our inner body pains, inner body issues. When you say chakras, as we all know, the meaning of chakra is a wheel. Our body is full with bones, muscles, and flesh, blood, water, everything. This is our physical body, according to the science. When you come to the spiritual body, the spirituality is nothing but the energy within us. The energy, the positive energy which we gain, the cosmic energy which we gain from the sun. So as we all know, the cosmic energy from the sun is nothing but the white light. So the white light, so when we see the rainbow in the sky, how the white light will be discriminated into the 7 colors. Similarly, our entire body has been discriminated into the 7 energy chakras. So these 7 energy chakras has the energy blocks. All these things connect together makes the human soul. This is what the human energy. So let's get into this chakra. Why we need to unblock each and every energy chakra, we are going to go through this journey. So we are going to start with our root chakra. So all these chakras lies from the base of your body till the top of your head, connecting to the spine. So always when you do the chakra healing meditation, you can sit in either of these 3 positions. One is a Sukhasana. Sukhasana is a normal sitting position where you cross both your palms. If you feel it's the palms, both your feet should be on the floor. Okay? So it's not like either of the palm, either of the lap. So it should be both on the floor. Or you can be in the half Padmasana, which means either of the foot would be on your lap. So either left foot or the right foot would be on your lap. And full Padmasana is both your foot would be on your lap. So it's based on how you are able to balance and how you are able to stabilize, sustain for more time. So based on that stability, you can do this thing. So when you sit into the either Sukhasana, half Padmasana or full Padmasana, this is the first body posture, and make sure your backbone is straight. So you are not bending towards it. And always remember, you should be face towards north. So this is very, very essential. So then the first is the body posture, second is the mudra. So when you come to a root chakra, so go to a Jnana Mudra. So this is what the Muladhara Mudra. So take a Jnana Mudra, connect both the thumb and index finger, place it on your knees. Okay? So sit straight, close your eyes. Slowly close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Visualize the color of red. You have the big screen of red color in front of you because we are going to activate the root chakra or Muladhara chakra. So we are going to activate this energy block. This is the base of the all the 6 chakras. So this is located in the base of the spine. So the origin of the backbone, it is located and it is associated with the energy. So all the energy, how a basement is very essential for the house. This block is very, very essential to unearth all the energy in your body. And it represents the survival skills. It represents your stability. Whenever your root chakra is more activated, you are more stable, you are more comfort, you are in a safe mode. If you want to be in a safe mode, remember, my dear friends, you need to activate this root chakra. So each and every chakra is associated with the element. So element is, as we all know, the Panchabhutas. So one of the Panchabhuta which is associated with the Muladhara chakra, the root chakra, is earth. Remember, the earth, as basement goes to the earth, the Muladhara, the Moolam, starts from the earth. The basement, the survival skills, the stability, the comfort and the safety start from the Muladhara chakra. We are going to unblock the energy from this Muladhara chakra using this positive healing affirmations. Let's say in yourself, I love being in my body. I am centered and grounded. I am safe. I trust more and I fear less. I am physical being and value my physical body. These are all the positive affirmations. Whenever you say these things, it's not just saying, you should feel it. Whenever you feel it, you think about it and you act about it. That's what we say in Bhagavad Gita, Yam atiti sa gatiti. As you think, so you become. That is the power of affirmations. So keep on saying this to unblock your Muladhara chakra, the energy, the survival, the stability, comfort, and the safety of your body. And we are going to activate our Muladhara chakra using the Bija mantra. So each and every chakra has a Bija mantra. So the Bija mantra is a seed letter, the seed word, the chanting. So the Bija mantra is through this mantras only entire the script of the language comes. So the Bija mantra for the root chakra is Lam. So let us chant Lam for the 7 times. Let's start chanting along with me. Lam, 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 Lam. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Let's go to our next chakra. Let's shift our attention to the next point, which is the Swadhisthana chakra, which is above to our Muladhara chakra. So it's located in lower the abdomen, lower the belly button. So it is associated with the sensuality and sexuality, pleasure, sociability and emotions. All your emotions are connected with your Swadhisthana chakra, or your feelings, sociability, the pleasure. If you are happy, if you are more energized and engaged. It's all because of the Swadhisthana chakra. The element which is connected to the Swadhisthana chakra is the water, the pure eternity of water. So when you are into the Swadhisthana chakra, first get into the Swadhisthana mudra. Place both the palms together. So place your right palm in your left palm and connect the thumbs together and place it at the center of your palm, center of your lap. Okay. So as you see the Buddha or Vardhamana Mahavira, how they sit. So sit in that position. And now visualize the color of orange. You have a big carpet in front of you, which is filled with the orange color, which is representing the Swadhisthana chakra. Now we are going to affirmate. We are going to say these affirmations to heal ourselves. These affirmations are more powerful to activate your sensuality, pleasure, sociability, and all the emotions. Let's say after me, I'm passionate about my life. I'm in touch with my feelings and emotions. I'm sensual and creative being. I embrace and celebrate my sexuality. I'm joyful. I'm spontaneous. I'm creative. Yes. When your Swadhisthana chakra is activated, when you unblock the energy of Swadhisthana chakra, you will be more creative. You'll be more spontaneous. You'll be more joyful. You'll enjoy each and every moment of your life. Let's chant the Bija Mantra of Swadhisthana chakra to unblock the energy in your body, to spark the light of orange, to bring the light of sparks, orange sparks from your body. The Bija Mantra for Swadhisthana chakra is Vam. Let us say, let us chant this Bija Mantra a bit louder to the previous one. Vam. Chant along with me. Vam. 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 Let's shift our focus towards next chakra, which is nothing but Manipura chakra. Yes. Manipura chakra is located exactly at your navel area, which is your belly point. It is associated with your strength, your personality, your power, your determination, and self-esteem. The element which is associated with this chakra is the fire. The fire. The fire is always there in your abdomen. Remember, whenever you use that fire towards the positive things, you can create the wonders. Visualize the big carpet in front of you, which is in the yellow color, which is the representation of our Manipura chakra. We are going to chant these affirmations to heal ourselves. I feel my own power. Let's say these affirmations after me. My potential is unlimited. My boundaries are respected and upheld. I act with courage and strength. I am confident in all that I do. Yes. Whenever your Manipura chakra is activated, you are more confident, you are more courageous, you are more strength. The power will come when your Manipura chakra is activated. Remember, my dear friends, every time all the chakras will not be activated. You need to activate it through your positive affirmations, through the mantras. That is where you will get. Whenever you get the fear, Do this mantra, do this positive affirmations to make yourself more powerful. Let us chant this mantra of Bija mantra of, to activate the Manipura chakra to get more power, more strength, and more courage. Let's chant along with me. The Bija mantra for this Manipura chakra is Ram. Let's chant Ram, 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 Ram. Slowly, let's change our attention to the heart chakra. The next chakra is Anahata chakra. Let's change our attention to the heart, middle of our chest. It's located exactly at the middle of our chest. It's associated with the love, the pure love, acceptance, compassion, and sincerity. If you want to love others, if you want to make others to love you, ensure your Anahata chakra is more activated. Take your mudra, the Jnana mudra, and place it on your heart. So, place another hand, so right hand on your heart, Jnana mudra, left hand on your lap. So let's chant these positive affirmations after me. I love myself unconditionally. I have the strength to follow my heart. I am fulfilling my heart's desire. I am open to giving and receiving love. I am grateful for all my blessings. Yes. Remember, if you feel grateful, if you feel fulfilled, if you feel love, always your Anahata chakra is more activated. You'll get the power of love, pure love around you. You can create the energy of love, pure love around you. Let us unblock the energy of Anahata chakra with this Bija mantra. Yam. Let's chant along with me. Yam. 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 Now slowly change our attention to our throat. We are coming to a throat chakra, which is nothing but Vishuddha chakra. It's associated with the communication. If you want to become the best speaker, effective speaker, your Vishuddha chakra should be more active. It's related to the expression. If you want to be more expressive, your Vishuddha chakra should be activated. It's a creativity and inspiration. You want to inspire others, your Vishuddha chakra should be more powerful. And the element is connected, the sound or ether around us. Let's chant this positive healing affirmations after me. I hear and speak the truth. I'm open and honest in my communication. I'm expressing myself with a clear intent. I live in an authentic life. What I have to say is valuable to others. So remember, my dear friends, always your communication should be very perfect. Remember, communication is not about what others understand. It's about how well you are making others to understand. So remember, my dear friends, to make it more effective, your Vishuddha chakra should be always open and unblocked with energy. To unblock it, let's chant this Bija mantra, Hum. Let's chant this along with me. Hum, 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 slowly move our attention to the third eye. Yes, everyone has their third eye. We can see the two eyes, but this third eye is invisible. When you unblock the energy of this Ajna chakra, represents the third eye, you can see your third eye. Visualize the color of blue. Visualize the big carpet of blue color in front of you and come to the Ajna chakra mudra. So keep your both the thumbs, both hands connect together. Come to the Ajna chakra mudra. So make it like this and keep it in front of you. And this is associated with the intuition, lucidity, meditation, and trust. If you want to be the trustworthy, trustful for anyone, your Ajna chakra should be more powerful and activated. Let's chant this positive healing affirmations after me. I'm insightful and intuitive. I always honor and follow my intuition. I'm conscious creator of my own reality. I'm connected to my higher self. All that I need is within me. Yes, remember, my dear friends, whatever you need is nowhere else. You don't need to look around the world. It is there in your body. It's there within yourself. You don't need to look anywhere else. So, look for anything. Remember, if you want to win over anything, win over yourself. Win all your emotions, all your feelings, all your thoughts. You will become the successful person. You will become the best and the greatest person. So to activate our third eye, let's chant this Bija mantra, Sham. So let's chant along with me. Sham, 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 Sham. Now slowly move our attention to the crown chakra, the most powerful and energetic chakra. Only sadhus can activate this chakra, and this leads to the moksha, the end of our life. The moksha jnanam can be done only when you can activate your Sahasrara chakra, the most powerful place, the Brahmarandra, the Brahmanadi. So this is located at the place and it's associated with the powerful knowledge, consciousness, fulfillment, and the spirituality. The more powerful, the more energetic. Let us say these positive healing affirmations after me. I am divine. I am one with all that is. I am infinite and boundless. I see the divine light in everyone. I listen to the wisdom of universe. Let's keep our hands in our Sahasrara Chakra Mudra. Connect your little finger and cross all the fingers together. Place it like this and chant this Bija mantra to active our crown chakra Sahasrara Mudra. Oh, the Om is the combination of three letters. A, O, Ma. When you say Om, it should come from the bottom of your abdomen and produce through your mouth. Om. Now we are closer to our chakra healing meditation. These are all the 7 different types of chakras. So this is what we did. So let us chant all the mantras together 7 times to active our body, energize our body. Lam, Vam, Ram, Yam, Hum, Sham, Om. Increase your voice each and every mantra, because each and every mantra has a frequency, different frequency. It's not the same thing. Lam, Yam, Ram, Yam, Hum, Sham, Om. Lam, Vam, Yam, Ram, Hum, Om. Lam, Vam, Ram, Yam, Hum, Sham, 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 Om. Let's come to the Namaskara Mudra. Let's pray for the peace in this world. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Samasta Sanmangalani Bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you all for joining today's chakra healing meditation. You can share once the chakra. To slide money, sir. Yes. So since we've been projected to the screen for more than 20 minutes, so let's chant. Let us relax our eyes using our 20-20 principle. So sit straight. So ensure your backbone is straight. Focus anything apart from the screen, anything which is 20 feet or 20 meter away. Start blinking your eyes. While blinking your eyes, stay closely and open widely. On count start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Slowly rub your hands, nicely generate the heat, feel the warmth, make a cup shape using your palm, place it on your eyes, take a long breath with a high energy, hold for a second, and slowly release your palm. Get relaxed. Start blinking your eyes and look at your palm with a beautiful smile on your face and relax. So, you're done with our chakra healing meditations. How are you feeling? Energized? Activated?
It's great, Mani sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Good to see you, sir.
I think it's very happy after 5 a.m. task I can join here also.
Good, good, good. So that is why we were thinking. So Lavanya and myself, we were a psychology classmates, university classmates. So we worked together. So we actually prepared all these things. She actually asked me to take up this session today. So I think this is the first time I'm taking this session, right, Lavanya? Yes. Good. Anyone have any doubt? Yes, sir.
Actually, I tried this in the pranic healing method. It both is giving very good energy.
Yes, exactly. Because each and every chakra, actually, the thing is that we are introducing you to these chakras. Everything is a different actually. Whenever you want to improve your creativity, you need to do the different exercise. If you want to improve your strength and power, you need to do a different activity. So based on your things, even for a corporate trainings also, if you want to motivate the people, you need to do the exercises related to the Anahata chakra. Sorry, throat chakra. So that is what we need to do. A different. So everything differs. So based on your need, you can do a different type of activities. That is what. So whenever you are feeling alone and you are in a stage and you feel so fear, then think of throat chakra and say your positive affirmations. You'll lose that fear. That's one of the things. That is the power of this positive healing meditation. And hope you'll make use of this thing. And thank you so much for joining today's chakra healing meditation. And see you tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, Manisha. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.